We're at
Europa Park.
That's right, Jessie.
Are you ready to head into the theme park? 'Cause all of us are. Which ride do you want to go on? Which way is it?
This way. Alpine Express. What have you just been on?
We just been on the one I went to.
Oh, was it?
And it hurt for me.
Ah. Do you know the concept behind the ride, Lorna? Do you know what the ride's about? So Nikola Tesla was used to do experiments with electricity.
Yeah.
So the whole concept of the ride is you're sat there. You know when it's going up and down like that?
Yeah.
That's you being transported all the way over to here, and then you go from there back over to the building. What do you think about Europa Park at Halloween?
Good. Well, amazing actually.
Why?
Because I like the Adamson like skating in the light.
Oh, did you enjoy that? Did you?
Like at midnight there was like a fountain parade.
What about all the pumpkins? They're everywhere, aren't they? No, not many scarecrows.
Yeah.
What did you think of Euromare?
Horrid.
Oh, did you not enjoy it?
No, I didn't. My head was like owing
Was it?
after it.
What about this bad boy?
It was amazing.
Is it? What was the
Yeah.
ride like last night in the dark?
Amazing.
Wasn't
the
it?
lights were on.
A bit confusing. I didn't know where we were at times, but
Yeah.
we managed to get a.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
We managed to get a virtual
Virtual line.
for this one. So we're
Yeah,
just walking
but
up here
Mum
now.
and Dad had to swap phones.
Yeah, I've got Mum's phone, haven't I? Because we split our tickets. Got
Yeah.
2 on your Mum's phone and 2 on ours. So gonna go and join. It's really busy today, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that.
I know. Yeah.
We've got
Wow.
a virtual queue.
It's quite big. Right.
Great. Voltron.
How was it?
Good. Got my top on
Shit
today.
on. We did well. We got a virtual
Yeah.
line pass this morning, didn't we?
Yeah.
For 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
And the queue's on 60 minutes now at the moment, so it's out the
Yeah.
building. But the virtual line, it's so good.
Yeah.
You know, it's a fair system. Like you book on, and you know you can go and enjoy some other stuff while you wait for that. Like, but how did you find it?
It was, well,
You're gonna say rattly?
yeah.
A little bit, isn't it?
Because,
Still not your favourite ride of all time?
no, Shabbat
Is it?
because you can see like a view.
All right, okay. What
That
do you
was
think about that first launch?
intense.
It is, isn't it? Watch they don't spray you.
I don't think they will feature.
Ah, Jessie B!
Is that a volcano?
It's a geyser.
What?
Oh, I think you should go and sit in the pumpkin. Go on, Jessie B.
Spooky
The spooky pumpkin.
Okay.
Goodbye. Wow.
Room for 2 of us,
For 2 of us.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll fit in there. Pumpkin.
Which one do you like in Europa Park? Comment comment down below.
What's your favourite ride?
Arthur, then Pegasus. Which one's
Arthur,
yours?
then Pegasus.
Which one's yours, Dada?
What's my favourite ride?
What's yours?
I think my favourite ride's got to be Voltron. But I absolutely love Blue Fire.
So, is it Voltron and Blue
It's
Fire?
Voltron.
But who's your second one?
Blue Fire. Quality. Good coaster.
Well, which your favourite family one in Europa Park?
Favourite family roller coaster has got to be
Arthur.
Arthur. That is.
But we like to call it feet dangle. We like to call it feet dangle.
We do, don't we?
It's a bit. That's a bit like what's the one in Ventura like?
Oh, Stampeder.
Yeah, but not
Yeah.
racing.
No, it's not racing,
But
no.
the red car looks it,
Quick,
doesn't
isn't it?
Yeah.
Should we go to the ship for a drink? No. Yeah, especially on a day like today. That was Wodan. What was it like compared to Stampeder?
More intense.
More intense? Smoother? Are the ride vehicles better? You'd agree with that, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
And it's a bit louder.
Comfier as well.
It's like a couch.
It is louder,
It's
isn't it?
way louder.
It is way louder. It's like a couch. Oh, nice.
There's our restaurant. There's our restaurant.
Yeah. How are you going to get in? How many pumpkins do you reckon are in this park?
50 million, 100 miles.
I think it's like 9 million, 100.
I don't think it's in the millions, is it?
Like maybe like
10,000.
9,000.
How many do you reckon?
9,800. Like 5,000.
This one.
It's 10,000.
been your favourite part?
Arthur and Pegasus.
Arthur and Pegasus. What do you think of Europa Park?
I like it, and they did like that spooky look.
Oh, the spooky Halloween parade. That was cool, wasn't it?
Yeah,
I really enjoyed that.
I did too.
You're looking forward to when you're all tall enough to ride. Hey.